Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use the image highlighter to highlight pictures and images in your PDF documents online in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to the PDF converter you use. I will go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. Make sure that you upload the image to the PDF document, and after that you will see that text or image highlighter or highlight tool at the top. Select it. And here customize it. You may, for example, choose a color to the left, and after that use also a line thickness. For example, if you'd like to highlight the entire image, I will go with the maximum, and after that simply use your mouse like this to highlight the given part of the image, or in general of your PDF document, like for example parts of a text. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.